First, import file that has been converted to format step all. Next, click to the transform and go to the locate 0, then apply and close. Next, we click to the machining and choose the workpiece, then click to the primitive. Then disable the sum start and change the number 0 to 2 at positive Z. Next, click to the setup and choose the workpiece CS and click to the 3 button on the right side and moving the G54 to the edge of the workpiece like this. Next, by clicking the new, and we're going to choose the first milling first. Then go to the strategy and change the strategy to zigzag. Next, click to the tools and we're going to set the tool numbers from 10 to 1. Then we move to the feet per speed. We're going to change the cutting speed to 200. Next, we're going to try a simulation of the first phase milling, and this is the result of the first set phase milling. Next, we're going to create a new one, roughing waterline. And at the tool setting, we set tool numbers to 0 to 2. We're going to change the diameter of tools to 5. Next, we will move to feed and speed. Click the feed speed and change the cutting speed to 250. Then click the strategy and change the milling type to decline. Then we're ready to simulate the cutting of roughing waterline. So after that, we create a new one, the last one, finishing waterline. Click it to create the new cutting. Go to strategy and same, change the milling type to climb. Then move to the tools number. Change the tools number from 10 to 2. Then also change the diameter of tool type. Next, we move to the feed speed. Same as before, at the cutting speed, we're going to change to 250. So after that, the finishing waterline is ready to simulate and it's done. And this is the result of our Sprutcam.